going on, everyone? Today is going to be a video for Quant Network. We're going to do a price prediction update in the market for this cryptocurrency. Guys, are currently telling that the market is looking kind of bullish, and we're going to see whether or not it's going to continue, because if it is, then guess what? We will drop a prediction looking for this cryptocurrency to continue to go higher. Welcome everyone to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of our videos and content. This is what we do here. If you guys didn't know, on all of our other videos here posted, we just do price predictions. We pay attention to the market. We pay attention to everyone else to see which side of the market is tipped in favor of winning, and we try to join that side. So if you guys want to learn more, make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of our videos and content. So now, I don't know when our last video was created for this cryptocurrency, but we identified a couple of areas of weakness. First thing was the market was trending down, and we saw that by creating this downtrend line into the market in Quant Network, and the market actually was obeying that downtrend line from the 24th all the way into the 26th. The market in Quant Network was unable to break through that downtrend line until the 27th of June. You guys can see it right there. Price broke through that downtrend line and even was able to eradicate all of the sellers within this lower area sell pocket. Again, these are indications to tell us that buyers are winning, that buyers are the ones pushing the price higher, and the sellers are losing. So that is a good thing for the buyers, to which we will go ahead and get rid of that downtrend line. Well, let me bring that back, because we can actually utilize that for the trend line. Okay, we want to create this area and make it a trend line. Okay, see how quick that was? So the market is bullish. The market currently is trying to get rid of these sellers within this sell pocket now. Will the buyers be successful in that? Because if they will, then the market's going to tell us that we need to look for higher prices for Quant Network. That is the current market workings. If you guys want to say, they're trying to get rid of these sellers right there. Now let's look at Quant Network on the weekly chart real quick. So here it is on the weekly. Now again, this is another indication that the demand into the market in Quant Network is still there, because on last week we got weakness, we got selling, but it didn't pan out well. The market went right back up. In fact, it went right back up to the high from the last week too. So again, it tells us that this market in Quant Network is still maintaining the identity that it wants to go higher. That's on the weekly chart. Now we still got 7 hours and 22 minutes left. If anything happens and the market crashes in Quant Network, then that might alter our current thesis of looking for this cryptocurrency to go up. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Take a look at Quant Network on the 3. Here it is on the 5. And for the month of June, so far we have 1 day and 8 hours left. It's been a pretty good war between the buyers and the sellers. You guys can see that we saw price go up, we saw price go down throughout the month of June, and we're coming right back break even from where we started beginning of this month. Quant Network on the 5-hour chart, you guys can see that the strength is still here into the market. We need to try to figure out what's the probabilities of these buyers eliminating these sellers in that pocket. Because if it's going to be great, then we need to anticipate the next pocket to be tested by the buyers. If it doesn't look great, then we need to go ahead and anticipate some downward movement in Quant Network. So right now, I don't see anything that really emphasizes that these sellers are real active in that pocket. Yes, there's some selling going on, but the demand into the market in Quant Network is still there too. Namely right here. Let me go ahead and create this for you. So this area right here is going to be a buy pocket for us. And we might need to create another one. You see this on the 1-hour chart. So I would say maybe this area is going to be real important for buyers to hold, and even this one for sure. Okay, so like as we go through this market and we're trying to see if these sellers will eventually take control of price within the sell pocket, we want to see these 3 buy pockets hold, because if they do, then that tells us that the market is still aiming for higher levels. And it might take us all the way back to this overall trend that we created on the daily time frame too. So just be prepared for that. Here's Quant Network on the 2. We have 7 hours and 19 minutes left. Currently getting a buy indication on the current 2-day price bar. I don't like how price is currently closing off of the highs. Excuse me. It'll be great in the next 7 hours, 19 minutes. The price closes up there at the high of the bar. Here it is on the 3 as well. 3 looks pretty decent. So what we're going to do is, even though we know that we are trading within this sell pocket, we're still going to anticipate higher prices. Okay, we're going to look for Quant Network to continue to trend up. Don't be surprised if this cryptocurrency goes down. Okay, I'm going to keep these small buy pockets that we did on a smaller time frame there, but on the daily chart, I don't want to see price break this buy pocket right here. So let's bring this down. And our first target is going to be right here at this middle sell pocket between $115.15, even all the way up there at the high. So our first target is going to be here at the low of this sell pocket, which is like 115, gives us 5.84% there. Our next target is going to be at the high of that sell pocket, $118.92, 9.3% there. And then let's try to target on this higher end sell pocket between 120 to 124. That will be our third target. Let me extend this over a little bit, and let's extend this trend line up here a little bit higher. So that's it. I'm finished. 6-minute video, real quick, just trying to break down what we see on the charts and try to figure out, okay, which side is actually winning, and currently look like the buyers are winning. So that's the team that we're going to join on this prediction. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.